Hey, what's up everybody? Just went on a big supply run. Got lots of stuff up in here. Got to get it unloaded and get to working. All right guys, so that there's the dog checking things out. So all that lumber and material, that's going to be for some future projects. I'm going to do some separate videos on that. Today the goal is to start cleaning this mess up. Towards the end of the video, I'll give you a little bit of history about this thing and kind of what it was and why it's here. But for now, we need to get it out of here. I've got some plans for this area of the yard, and it does not involve this. So let's get started. See, there's like stuff like this in here.
Yeah. Oh dang. Nice.
Just so you never know, what you're gonna run into.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, so as you saw there, we got some of it cleaned up. Got to figure out how to get that top part that was the roof, which is now on the ground. Try to find a good way to get that cut up and get that off of there. But for now, we're gonna clean up and move on to something else. Hey everybody, so we got that got the tools and stuff all cleaned up and everything, but kind of wanted to go over kind of some future plans and things that we got going on. So we get our best sun here facing south, which is that direction. My roof faces east and west. Now I could put panels up there on the roof going east and west, and they would get some sun in the morning, and then the other side would get some sun, you know, in the evening. But really the best sun is from the south. So I'm thinking about at some point here basically just kind of, you know, basically building almost not a solar farm, but you know what I'm saying, like something to hold several panels and then either run all the wires underground, you know, and bring them into the house that way. So that's probably not gonna maybe in the fall, maybe that might happen. You know, it just depends. Solar panels aren't as expensive as they used to be, but you know, they're still pretty pricey, and you know, I'm a working class guy, so you know, still got bills to pay. But anyway, so that's kind of that area. So let's move on to the next spot. All right, so over here, so this is where we were at earlier today. Basically what this was is it started off as like an outdoor kitchen. This house was built in the 70s, no AC, no central air. So in the summer, if they were going to do canning or stuff like that, they did it out here so that they wouldn't heat up the house. Then after that, I think it was, you know, kind of used for storage. I never used it for anything. But just because of no maintenance and things like that, it collapsed. So now we're cleaning it up. But what I'd like to do is, well, let me show you. Let me turn you around here. So what I'd like to do here is trim some of this greenery back. There's like this bush right here. I don't know, I'll probably get rid of that and get rid of some of this stuff, wild stuff growing over here. And what I want to do is basically build another platform with like a lean-to roof, get some rain catchment barrels on the back of that, and then this will be kind of like the barbecue area. So have the barbecue grill, stuff like that, you know, set up over here. And then out here we got the big tree right here. It gets really green, really leafy, lots of shade. You know, out here we could do like, you know, some tables, chairs, you know, stuff like that. Have kind of a little entertainment area. So hopefully that's the way. But once again, you know, I'm hoping to have it done by sometime this summer, but the way things are going, who knows. Now the next spot up here against the house, it's kind of bare, kind of plain. So what we want to do is just kind of clean it up a little bit and do some raised like flower beds, but not like raised like really tall, but just raised off the ground. Do some flower beds there in the front just to make it look, you know, make it look nice, make it look homey. So got to get that done too. All right, on to the next spot. All right, so the next project on the list is getting rid of this thing. Dead tree, it's in the way, causes problems. And I think my buddy Crafty, you guys don't know him, but he was a real good friend that I worked with. Seems like a long time ago. But anyway, he's a great guy, and so I think he's gonna come down. He's in the St. Louis area, so I think he might come down here towards the end of spring, maybe beginning of summer, and we're gonna cut that tree down and get rid of it for good. And then we got this infamous burn pile right here. Gonna get rid of it. It's gonna get burned here pretty soon. Want to try to get some more of that old shed over here to burn it. But once this is gone, let me flip you around and show you. So once this is gone, I mean, there's quite a bit of property here. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's like a stake over there, and then there's another stake down there in the corner. But you know, all that property is mine, and then it goes, you know, all the way over to there. So what I want to do is, once this pile is gone, is I want to plant like some fruit trees, you know, apple, pear, whatever, and get some fruit trees over here so we can have some fruit. Some of these other trees here that are just kind of growing up kind of wild right here, I don't know, I might get rid of them, you know, just to kind of clear it out. You know, I'm not sure. We'll see. But you know, that's kind of some future projects we got going on. Once again, thank you for watching. Trying to get some more subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hey, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So, you know, if you can, go ahead and subscribe. I got some other videos coming up. Some of the materials that we bought, I'm going to be making a bed frame, which I think is going to look pretty cool. Headboard, footboard, all that stuff. It's going to be kind of a step-by-step video, but like I've said before, I don't really make like how-to videos. I make how I did it videos, and then you can kind of decide if you want to do it the same way or if you want to change it, modify it, whatever. And then the other material is for one of the doors between the hallway and the shop. I'm going to do a video on that, show you how I'm going to make that door. And if you want to make a door like it, or change it or alter it or whatever to fit your needs, then that'll be great. But thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. Hope everybody has a great week, and we'll catch you later. Bye.